Welcome to our video on the top 8 residential proxy services available today. Let's dive in. Number 8, we have Storm Proxies, which offers top-notch residential proxy services. Whether you need proxies for web scraping or accessing geo-restricted content, Storm Proxies has got you covered. And the best part? Their pricing is quite reasonable, making them a great option for those looking for high-quality proxies without breaking the bank. So, let's take a closer look at what Storm Proxies has to offer. Storm Proxies offers an incredible deal starting at just $50 for their lowest pricing plan. This plan includes 70,000 residential IP addresses and unlimited bandwidth. If you require more proxies, the highest pricing package is $300. With their competitive pricing and high-quality residential proxies, Storm Proxies is definitely worth considering for your proxy needs. Storm Proxies is confident in the quality of their service, offering a risk-free trial period of 24 hours with a money-back guarantee. You can try out their proxies without any obligation or worry. Accepted payment methods for Storm Proxies include Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal, and Discover Card. At number 7, we have Proxy Rack. Let's see what residential proxy services they offer and their prices. Proxy Rack provides affordable and reliable residential proxies, with a starting price of $49.95 per month and 10 GB monthly limit, $5 per each additional GB. They offer high success rates, an ever-growing and dynamic network, and support for HTTP, SOCKS, and UDP protocols. Plus, there's a money-back guarantee. For more extensive needs, their biggest package is priced at $2,249.95. Payment can be made through PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PaySafeCard, and Alipay. Proxy Cheap is a provider of affordable and high-quality residential proxies, with pricing starting at just $3 per gigabyte. For those looking for static plus rotating session proxies, the cost is only $4.99 per gigabyte. They offer user pass authentication, IPv4 HTTP protocol, and session duration of up to 30 minutes. Proxy Cheap provides an excellent option for those looking for residential proxies at an affordable price. For information on payment methods, please contact Proxy Cheap's Help Center. SOAX.com offers residential proxies with their starter residential plan starting at $99 per month, which includes a total of 8 GB with each GB costing $12. The starter plan offers 2 whitelist IPs and 300 ports, along with a 3-day trial period but no customer success manager. For those looking for more, they offer a regular residential plan starting at $700 per month for 100 GB with each GB costing $7. This plan includes 5 whitelist IPs and 600 ports, along with a 3-day trial period and a customer success manager. Currently, SOAX.com only accepts bank cards as a payment method, so if you require other payment options, please contact their help center for assistance.
Oxylabs offers a pay-as-you-go option, starting at $15 per gigabyte, with the ability to use up to 50 gigabytes per month. Their largest package is $800 per month, providing 100 gigabytes bandwidth at $8 per GB. With Oxylabs, users can enjoy high-quality residential proxies, ensuring reliable and fast connections. They also offer a user-friendly dashboard, excellent customer support, and a wide range of payment options to choose from. Oxylabs accepts various payment methods such as PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and bank wire transfers. Furthermore, if you choose to subscribe to their yearly plans, you can avail a 10% discount on the total cost. Proxy Horse is a residential proxy provider that specializes in providing proxies for posting ads on Craigslist. As Craigslist has strict rules and regulations regarding posting ads, using a dedicated proxy can help avoid any potential issues. Proxy Horse offers reliable and high-quality residential proxies that are optimized for Craigslist posting, making it an excellent option for those looking to post ads on Craigslist. Proxy Horse provides specialized proxies for posting on Craigslist. Their pricing is affordable, with plans starting at $3 for 30 megabytes and going up to $500 for 15,000 megabytes. You can add specific websites to your whitelist, create team member sub-accounts, and set traffic limits. Payment is accepted through BTC, Perfect Money, WebMoney, and PayPal. Smart Proxy is a residential proxy provider that offers a variety of pricing plans to fit the needs of different users. Smart Proxy is a proxy provider that offers residential proxies in more than 195 countries, with a network of over 40 million residential IPs. Their plans start at $12.50 per gigabyte and come with one username, password, and one whitelist IP. They offer up to 50 gigabytes per month for $400. Smart Proxy offers user authentication, IP whitelisting, and supports both HTTP and HTTPS protocols. They also provide an API for developers and offer a Chrome extension for easy use. Smart Proxy accepts payment through credit card, PayPal, and cryptocurrency. In addition to their standard plans, Smart Proxy also offers custom plans for those with specific needs, and they provide a 3-day money-back guarantee for all new customers. Overall, Smart Proxy is a reliable option for those in need of residential proxies for their business or personal use. Luminati also provides advanced features such as session control, geolocation targeting, and API access for developers. Their residential proxy plans start at $500 per month for 40 gigabytes of traffic, and they offer both static and rotating residential IPs. Thank you for watching our video on the top 8 residential proxy providers. We hope you found the information useful in making an informed decision when choosing a proxy provider for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends who may also benefit from this information. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content. Thank you again for your support.